Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to install an extension in SketchUp. So, of course, the first step you have to start your SketchUp, whichever version of SketchUp you have in your computer. So, basically, many SketchUp also are you know related to the extension. So many extension doesn't work in many versions of your SketchUp. So basically that's the thing that you have to check personally with your with compatibility with your online tools or the extension warehouse. But in this video we are going to learn about how to install an extension. So for that, all you have to go is to go to extension manager. You have to click on install extension, and from wherever you have downloaded your extension file from an online warehouse or wherever it has. So I basically like it organized, so I keep my all plugins safe. So whatever extension that you want to install in your SketchUp, you just have to select it like this, and it will be enabled. Face up is enabled in your tool, and then you have to just close the window, so it will appear right over here. You have to go over here, right click, and then select the face up tool, which is right over here, and it will pop up, and you just have to place it in your default tray. So this is how you can install any extension in your SketchUp. So here you can just turn on whatever things that you need of getting started. The measurement tool, the principal sandbox, and everything. You just have to do this and make it appear right over here. And then whatever extension that you need, you just have to install it right by going in the extension manager and install extension. That's it. So that is all for the video. The video was focused on how to install an extension in SketchUp. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.